so much for being here, and thank you so much for patiently waiting for me. I got stuck in a lot of traffic today. As always, Mumbai is full of traffic. Coming back to the brand and coming back to being a dog lover, which I am, and how disco came in my life, I was actually. Um, so you won't really believe, but I was very, very scared of dogs almost all my life. And it was only like a few years back when a friend of mine got a little puppy dog, and I sort of met the pup, when it was just like a few months old, and I kind of let go of the fear because it was so small. And then slowly I kind of got used to it, and that fear went away, and I fell in love with dogs in general. And then I wanted one for myself in my house because I just felt like dogs are so, so loving. And I mean, you come from anywhere, your day has gone bad, you're in a bad mood, you just come home, and the kind of welcome you get, it just melts you, it just puts a smile on your face, and it just makes your day. So and my sister has been a dog lover actually from the beginning. So I used to always tell her that, no, I'm very scared, you can't get one. And then on her birthday, actually, I adopted Disco, and I got him home. And I still remember the first time when he came, and he was sort of so tiny, and he was shivering a little bit, and he was hungry. And the first time I made him eat, and then now the day is when he's the master of my house. Everybody's roaming around him. And his diet, well, I think it's very tricky, especially if you've not had a dog before, like I think I'm still figuring out, I think a lot of things I'm sort of figuring out. With a dog, it's like having a newborn baby who can't tell you what he likes or what he doesn't, what he's allergic to, what he is having a problem digesting. And you have to figure it out, through his behavior, through if he gets allergy from some specific thing, and what he likes tasting, the smell of what he doesn't like at all. So a lot of things. So I think it's a process to figure out their diet and what is good for them, what is not. And like everyone else, I also sometimes felt like, if I can eat roti, then why can't he? If I can eat this, why can't he? And my mom to still does it. I have to stop her now. When she feels कि तो क्या हो गया, हम सब्जी खा रहे हैं, हमें nutrition चाहिए, उनको भी चाहिए होता है, तो क्या हो गया? But the thing is that they're made very differently. The kind of nutrition that they need is very, very different. And they need a balanced diet. They need a balanced nutrition. I recently discovered, in fact, that Disco is having problem with wheat, which we had not known, till we did some tests. And I ended up scolding my mom a lot because she was the one who was giving that, off the table. We end up giving dogs like everything that we are eating. But I think it's very, very important to realize that every dog is different. And I think that's what also attracted me to IAMS, because I realized that there is tailored nutrition, for pets. For different kind of dogs, for adults, for smaller breeds, for bigger breeds. And that's amazing because I feel like every dog is different, like every human is different, So every dog is different, and they need a balanced nutrition, which we usually don't know unless we're experts or nutritionists. So it's important to give them what their body requires, which I think I'm actually very excited to figure out, how IAMS is going to sort of, how Disco likes the brand and the kind of food and the kind of changes that happen to him when he's getting the right kind of food.
Disco. What's the story behind it? How did this name come up?
There is actually no story behind it. I think I always like a name that sort of sounds good. You know, when you call the dog, it has to have a positive, fun feeling to it. And when you see Disco, he has a habit of going around his tail. You know, he just suddenly, when he's really happy, he goes like a disco ball. Like he literally like goes around. So he does a lot of disco in our house. Yeah, but I think disco I felt was a very, very fun name. And he instantly sort of started responding to it. So that's about it.
What is the regular schedule you follow with your dog whenever you are in Bombay?
Sorry?
Whenever you are in Bombay, do you take it out for walks?
Yeah. I sometimes, and I love that. I love sometimes, you know, when I have a nice Sunday off and there's like good sun out, especially now, this time, you know, when the weather is good and there's sunlight out, I do take him out and take him out to the garden to sort of play a little bit. He loves playing tug, you know, with his toy. So that's something that I sort of, I become competitive with him and I start playing tug with him. And apart from that, he's the one who sort of loves waking us up in the morning, me and my sister, with all his licks and slurps. And now he climbs also the bed. So yeah, but he's a very, very attention-seeking dog. So he wants like, you know, when there are too many people at house and we're all chatting amongst ourselves, he's someone who will keep doing constant, you know, to sort of get attention. And yeah, I mean, my sister's more at home. So he's actually my sister's full-on chamcha, you would say, who's, wherever she's going, he's going behind her. So he's like that, yeah.
Any hostile neighbors?
Sorry?
What about your neighbors? Any hostility towards your pet?
No, not at all. In fact, there are a lot of dogs in my building. And he's a slightly more fearful dog. So he's not someone who's very outgoing, very friendly. But the smaller breeds, I think, tend to sort of feel like a little intimidated at times. So what they do is they bark whenever they're intimidated. So yeah, I mean, whoever comes home, now when I'll go home, he's going to smell different dogs on me and he'll be upset with me for some time. So that's also going to happen. But I'll give him like a few treats and patao him and he'll be fine. आपका नाम क्या है? अच्छा तब भी मुझे क्यों
रोलिंग अप सो मैम
आज की लॉन्च के बारे में I am a dog lover, as you all know. I have a cute little pet called Disco, and I think pet nutrition is something that over the time I've realized is so important. Especially, Disco is my first pet, so you know I had no idea like what is good for him, what is not good for him, what kind of food he should have, and sometimes you start feeling, you know, as humans that नेचुरल खाना ज़रूरी होता है, वही चाहिए होता है, सब्जियां चाहिए होती हैं जो हम खाते हैं. But actually dogs are very differently made, you know, and I feel like they need a balanced diet. And also every dog is very different. Like Disco is very, very allergy prone. So he needs a specific kind of food. There are certain allergies that he has which, you know, shouldn't be there in his food. And IAMS, when they sort of came to me, I was very fascinated by the fact that they have tailored nutrition, you know, for pets. So different kinds of dogs, they have different kind of food for them based on the dog's requirement, which is amazing. And it's a brand that's been, you know, in US and in Japan and like many other countries for like above 70 years. So now it's coming here, and I think I've always been clueless, you know, till now. I've not found the right brand for my pet, so I would love to try the brand and, you know, make Disco try new food.
कोई ऐसी मेमोरीज जो आप शेयर करना चाहे पेट्स के साथ?
Pets के साथ?
Yeah.
I mean, food से related? Yeah.
या फिर
I think it's lovely to have, you know, a dog at home. I think he's Disco's family. And मैं रहती हूँ, मेरी बहन रहती है, मेरी एक हाउस है बहन वो रहती है, and Disco है. And that's our family. And चाहे आप कहीं से भी आओ, आप कितना भी थके हुए हो, आपका दिन बुरा गया है, आपको नींद आ रही है या जो भी है, you know, whenever I come home after a very long time, especially the way he sort of you know, he smells you coming outside only, so he's at the door before anybody else. और वो जिस तरह से स्वागत करता है, फुल उछल उछल कर, पूरा लिक करके, like he really, I think dogs really express their love, and it's unconditional, you know, it's not dependent on what you have been like, you know, or how you are as a person, it's just there. So yeah, that's one of the most amazing parts. So whenever I go back home, I'm like, मेरा मूड जैसा भी हो वो अच्छा हो जाता है.
जब कोई पेट्स को हार्म करता है उनको क्या कुछ मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
Of course, I get very very angry. In fact, even during Diwali and all, मैं इतना
होली
बोलती हूँ दिवाली होली के टाइम पर, इतना रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक वी ओनली थिंक अबाउट आवर सेल्स, यू नो, द पटाखाज, द क्रैकर्स जितना डॉग्स को और पेट्स को हार्म करते हैं, दे गेट सो स्कैर्ड, दे फॉर देम द साउंड इज़ वे लाउडर, so they get really scared, and it's not good for them also. The pollution is not good for them. I also hate sometimes how people treat street dogs, you know, and so for me, I think once you start having that soft corner for animals in general, आप कहीं पे भी हो, चाहे मैं वैनिटी के पास हूँ, मैं कहीं और शूट कर रही हूँ दूर, if I see any dogs around me, I have that urge to make them eat something, you know, whether it's some biscuits or something. So I just feel that they are a part of our society, of our world, and they're equally important, and there's no one to take care of them the way we have people. So जितना आप compassionate हो सकते हैं, please होना ज़रूरी है.
ओके, आपकी फिल्म पानीपत बॉक्स ऑफिस पर काफ़ी अच्छा कमाई कर रही है और आपके कैरेक्टर को काफ़ी अप्रिशिएशन मिल रहा है,
जी,
तो उसके बारे में कुछ जानना चाहेंगे, क्या कुछ?
जी, आई मीन ऑब्वियसली मेरे लिए मेरी पहली हिस्टोरिकल फिल्म है, तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट था कि लोगों को फिल्म पसंद आए, कैरेक्टर पसंद आए, परफॉर्मेंस पसंद आए, और जिस तरह के रिव्यूज़ मिले हैं, आई डोंट थिंक मुझे किसी भी फिल्म के लिए इतने पॉजिटिव और इनकरेजिंग रिव्यूज़ मिले हैं, स्पेशली परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर. एंड पार्वती बाई इज़ एक्चुअली द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट एंड द मोस्ट डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर फॉर मी. महाराष्ट्रन, किसी और सदी से बिलोंग करने वाली, someone who's also a passionate lover but at the same time can pick up a sword and fight for her people. So I think for me it was very important for people to connect with the character, and I'm really really happy and so overwhelmed कि ये साल जो है वो इतना अच्छा ख़त्म हो रहा है with so much appreciation and so much you know positivity coming for the character, for the performance, and it only encourages me every time to like sort of do something more and riskier and better.
ओके, और कुछ अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स जो शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
मैं अभी मिमी के लिए फ़िलहाल शूट कर रही हूँ. एक स्केड्यूल हो गया है, करीबन 40% ख़त्म हो गई है फिल्म. मंडावा में शूट कर रहे हैं और नेक्स्ट स्केड्यूल फरवरी में है, तो अभी थोड़ा छुट्टी टाइम है, रिलैक्स टाइम है. 4 रिलीज़ेस रही हैं इस साल, काफ़ी बिजी गया है, सो दिस इज़ लाइक माई टाइम दैट आई एम टेकिंग ऑफ एंड जस्ट स्पेंडिंग विद माई फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स.
ओके, सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट को लेकर काफ़ी विरोध किया जा रहा है, सो उस पर आपकी क्या स्टैंड है?
Well, right now, to be very honest,
Yeah.
whatever is happening in general, it really saddens me because there's so much violence, which is not a solution to anything. And I feel like violence से कुछ हमें हासिल नहीं होगा. Right now, what we need is proper conversation on the topic. People need to be heard. The students who are protesting, I think silent protest is something which is our right. So people who are protesting, they need to have a conversation with the government, and I think the point of views need to come out. So only the violence part is something right now which needs to be curbed, and right now we all need to come together as a secular India that we are, and just have a conversation as adults and sort the issue out.
थैंक यू सो मच.
बस एक थोड़ा सा विजुअल ले लेते हैं. नीचे नीचे